Magandang buhay mga tugang! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Teacher Dig. For today's video, andito nga kami ngayon sa Taguig City, syempre, to celebrate the birthday of our inaanak na si Max. Happy 4th birthday, Max! Thank you for the invites, Jana and Mervin. Kasama nga namin ang Pamilya de la Cruz at Pamilya Real. And obviously, enjoy na enjoy ang mga bagets, especially si Max.
Challenge.
Yes. It's a super fun day for Max 4th birthday celebration. 4 na taon ng good vibes, cuteness, at endless energy. Kaya naman, todo saya ang lahat. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang masasarap na handa. May barbecue, pizza, at marami pang iba. Ang sarap ng inihanda ni Mami Jana at Daddy Marvin para sa lahat ng guests. At kami yon. Yummy!
Happy birthday!
What do you want? No, you play with us.
Hi!
Say hi muna, hi! Say hi! Say hi muna, hi! Let's sing happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to Mama! Happy birthday!
Yay!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, say happy birthday!
Oh!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
God bless. Kasi takos pa. Yay! Hug pa. Hindi, ulit.
Yes naman, look at the kids. Ang saya-saya nila habang naglalaro sa playground. May slides, swings, at syempre, tawanan everywhere. After that, nag-enjoy din sila sa bowling. Ang galing ng mga bata. Ang saya.
Oh, jump shot daw sila. Yay! Sing, smile! Yay! Happy birthday, Max! Dilim na. Pink! Galing ka! Happy? Yeah! Kaya nga.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Yummy!
Yes naman, sabay-sabay nating wishan si Max ng good health, happiness, and more adventures to come. You're growing up so fast, our little superstar. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Max!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Wow! Wow!
Next naman, thank you so much sa mga regalo de la Cruz family and the Real family. Sobrang saya ng mga bata, lalo na si Madam Faye.
Ano yan, madam? Wow! Wow! Ay, ang galing ah! Galing ah! Wow!
A few moments later.
Design mo? Oo. Design mo po. Kayo gusto maglaro, no? Oo.
Bye. You go help with everything. Share a seat.
Yes, yes, yes! Shout out sa inyo mga bagets, Ate Janela, Jadel, Kuya Jairus, Cham Cham, Madam Faye, and Matt.
Oh, dandan, mainit. Tama na, Faye. Ayun! Sige na, ilagay mo na.
Ayaw na, wala. Yan. Sa gilid yun.
Ay, ang galing ah! Yay! Oh, yan. Tapos lagyan mo na. Yay! Yay! Cheers! Oh, yan oh. Tapos si Faye. Oh, picture ka, Faye.
Habang tumatanda si Max at ang mga bata, itong video na to ay magsisilbing isang napakagandang alaala, isang paalala ng saya, tawa at pagmamahal ng pamilya. Balang araw kapag malalaki na sila, mapanood nila ito at maaalala nila kung gaano sila kasaya, gaano sila kamahal at gaano kaganda ang kanilang kabataan. Thank you Mami Jana and Daddy Marvin for creating memories that will last forever, especially for Max. This moment will always be part of your beautiful story.